Thank you for joining me again in another yoga video. Today we'll be doing a relaxing flow sequence. You can do this sequence in the mornings, in the evenings, after a hard day's work. You just need 6 minutes to yourself. So let's get started.
Start off in child's pose. You can extend the hands in front of you or have them by your sides. Now come up on all fours for some cat-cow. Inhale cow, the belly drops. Exhale cat, the back rounds. Inhale cow. Exhale cat. Inhale cow. Exhale cat. Inhale cow. Exhale cat. Inhale downward facing dog. And you can paddle the feet here. Stretch the legs and the hips. Keep the shoulders broad. Jump or step the feet forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, swan dive. Step or hop the feet back. Inhale, chaturanga. Exhale, upward facing dog or cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step with the left foot for crescent lunge. Give a little back bend here. Rotate the feet forward for wide-legged fold. Keep a micro bend in the knees. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep the arms up overhead. Exhale, fold. And intertwine the arms here for ragdoll. And crescent lunge on the right side. And give a little back bend here. Frame the foot for pigeon on the right side. Push through the fingertips. Or lay your head to rest on the mat. Exhale, downward facing dog. Come into pigeon on the left side. Come up for a seated spinal twist. The left leg is straight and the right leg is bent over the left. And the left elbow is against that right knee. Softly gaze over the right shoulder. Gently come out and straighten the right leg. The left leg is bent and goes over the right. The right elbow pushes against the left knee and gently gaze over the left shoulder. Gently come down to your mat for happy baby. Grab the feet and push into the hands, gently rocking back and forth for a back massage. Now come down for Savasana. Close off the eyes and allow all the muscles to relax. Slowly open your eyes and come up to easy pose. To yourself, say one thing that you are grateful for today. Bring the hands to heart center. Namaste.
I hope you all enjoyed this relaxing quick flow. If you have any asana or flow requests, please leave them in the comments below. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.